Plug the device into an AC to 2 V power. Turn on the switch. The screen lights up, then set it up according to the instructions. If the knife is down, press the check button. Press the knife lift button to lift it manually. Clamp the product. Pass the enameled wire through the fixture hole. Fix one end. Tighten and fix the other end. Tighten the center fixture and keep the wire in the middle. Scrape one end of the product and connect the enameled wire and the fixture together. Adjust the height of the support plate so that the wire is tangent to the product. Press the clear key to clear the data. After the above operations are completed, press the start button. The equipment enters the test phase.